In this video, we'll be talking about rhombuses. A rhombus, by definition, is a quadrilateral with all four sides congruent. Notice that I measured all of the four sides and put their measurements here. Now, if you'll watch that, we can change the way it looks, and we still have all four sides congruent. Because all four sides are congruent, this is also a parallelogram. So it has all of the properties of a parallelogram. And let me get rid of these measurements. Now the thing is, we also have some neat things with the diagonals. Let's construct these diagonals. If we measure this diagonal, we have 10.3, and then let's construct this one. And measure that one. So our diagonals not necessarily equal, but let's look at the point where these two intersect. And look at the angle A. If we measure this angle, we have 90 degrees. And so you should see, we know vertical angles are congruent, so this angle B, this one should also be 90 degrees. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Now I want to keep this information because it's important that students realize that the diagonals are not congruent in a rhombus, but they are perpendicular. They do bisect each other, and we know that from the fact that it's a parallelogram. And let's look at this angle up here, angle A, B, D. And angle C, B, D. So these two angles, these little ones, are equal to each other. I'm going to get rid of these. Let's measure these two, and so you can see that all of the vertex angles will be bisected. This angle. That's this angle. So I'm not going to, and I can get rid of these now. Alright, thank you. Let's change our rhombus. And we can see that this angle, this little one, is 25.7, and this little one is 25.7, and then this little one is 64.3, and this little one is 64.3. So the vertex angles of a rhombus are bisected. Alright, so and you can see that our rhombus could be a square. This looks almost like a square, but it doesn't have to be.